Good morning. We made it to Munich, and it is Monday, 8:40 a.m. and we are about to meet our contact person here in Munich. It's about a 5-minute ride to the clinic where we get some instruction what's going to happen, and also Sophia will get blood drawn, and then after about 2 hours we should be free to go. And what else? We have no plans. We'll see. We'll just hit downtown and check out München. Hey Sophia, we just finished meeting with the doctor. Yeah. Did you meet the doctor today?
Yeah.
And what did he do?
I got my blood drawn.
You got your blood drawn, and we're stuck.
I got a happy son.
Yeah, and the doctor.
Happy son.
Oh, this is not the right place. We need. Hang on, maybe. Yeah, it is. It is the right place. We gotta go out here. And the doctor is very nice, right?
Yeah.
And he drew your blood.
Yeah.
And it is very echoey in here. Okay, can you put back up? So we're currently in downtown Munich, and we're on the side of a church, trying to find the wheelchair entrance to the church.
Right here.
Oh ja, Türöffner.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Excuse you.
So we're going in here. Hang on, Philip. I gotta open that door. There you go. Waiting for the Glockenspiel.